In today's video, we're answering a question a lot of X, formerly Twitter, users ask. Can you know who unfollowed you on x.com or Twitter? The short answer is no. X does not have a native feature that tells you exactly who unfollowed you. That means if you're looking for an official unfollow notification inside the app or on the website, it simply is not built in. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Now let's break this down clearly. When someone follows you on X, you can usually see that in your notifications or by checking your follow account. But when someone unfollows you, X does not send a direct alert. There is no built-in unfollower list, no official dashboard, and no automatic message that says this person unfollowed you. So if you're wondering whether you can check exactly who unfollowed you using X itself, the answer is no. X.com and the Twitter mobile app do not provide that feature. You can still manually compare your followers over time, but that can be slow and impractical if you have a lot of followers. A lot of people search for third-party tools or apps that claim to show unfollowers, but you should be very careful. Many of those services ask for your login details, access to your account, or permissions that may not be safe. Always think twice before connecting your X account to any third-party app, especially if the app is promising follower tracking or unfollower alerts. If your goal is just to keep track of your audience growth, the safest method is to monitor your follow account and engagement over time. You can also use X Analytics if you have access to them, because that gives you a better idea of trends, even though it still won't tell you the exact person who unfollowed you. So, to recap, X does not natively show who unfollowed you, and there is no official unfollower notification feature on x.com or Twitter. If you want to stay safe, avoid suspicious third-party apps, protect your account, and focus on healthy growth metrics instead. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple answers to common tech questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.